So in this question, it's based on a probability binomial distribution. So the question is, a large fishing lake contains freshwater fish in the following proportions: 40% carp, 32% bass, 20% trout, 6% perch, and 2% pike. Thomas catches 7 fish. Find the probability that exactly 3 of the fish he catches are trout, and B part is exactly 2 of the fish he catches are pike. So to answer this, we will use the binomial distribution formula, which says that the probability of exactly K success K successes in n trials is, so I can write this as B x equals K, so that is K successes. That will be nk times p to the power k times q to the power n minus k. So this is the formula. So what this means is q here is starting from the right hand side. So q is the probability of a failure P is the probability of success, and K is a number of successes, and N is the number of trials. Okay, so how would we work out? So we'll just put in the values. So for part A, you have 3 of the fish he catches. So here, when they say 3 of the fish, so that means the number of success, K, has to be 3. So here, K is 3, N is 7. There's a total number of, he's catching 7 fishes, so N is 7. And then P, the probability of a success for a trout is 20%, so that is 0.2. And the probability of a failure would be 1 minus 0.2, and that is 0.8. And so here we have the probability of X is 3, and that would be 7,3 times P is 0.2 to the power K, that is 3 times 0.8 to the power N minus K, that is 7 minus 3. So here that is equal to, I can write this as 7, C3, so 7 times 6 times 5 divided by 3 times 2 times 1, and then multiplied by 0.2 cube times 0.8 to the power 4. So that is 6 goes to 21 times 0.2 cube times 0.84, and that would give me 8. So the answer is 0.115. And then for the B part, what I can do is, here K is different, so number of success is exactly 2. So in this case, K is 2, and then n is of course 7, and then the probability of success. So for the pike, it's going to be 2%, so 0.02. So P is 0.02 and Q is going to be 1 minus 0.02, that is 0.98. So again, putting this in the formula, you would get P of x is 2, and that is going to be 7. K is K3. K is not 3, what am I doing? K is 2, exactly 2. So yeah, so 7 2, then P is 0.02 square times 0.98 to the power 7 minus 2. So then that is 7 times 6 divided by 2 times 1 times 0.2 square times 0.98 to the power 4. Sorry, to the power 5. And this will give me 21 times 0.2 square times 0.98 power 3, and that is going to give me 0.00759, and that is the answer.